So this is the team which worked on payroll part of HRMS. And basically right now, as you have seen, like we covered so many things, right? We covered expense management, we covered attendance, we covered loans and so many things, right? So it all comes to this now. So basically now at the end of the month, we need to process salaries. So that's where we use this system. Basically, this system allows us to create salary structures. It will also help us create templates. Then it can also help us generate pay slips, bank advice, so on. And it also allows employees to generate their own pay slips and also define their investments, right? Based on which the salary will be calculated. So we'll jump into a demo. So we'll start with creating salary templates. So basically we can create multiple salary templates. Within each salary template, there can be multiple salary components. We can define component as percentage of another component or percentage of CTC or fixed amount. We can also define like PF and other statutory compliances that we have. So once these are created, we can allocate these templates to employees and it will create basically their salary structure, right? Scroll. And we can also revise salaries from time to time, right? So once this is done, we have everything, right? We have their salary structure, we have their attendance, we have their expenses, we have their loans. And based on all of these things, we can run payroll. And once we run payroll, we can see like it will show us details like how much we have to pay to each employee that month. And then we can see the details as to how this 40,506 is coming, right? And we can also download bank advice. Okay. Yeah. So we can also download bank advice, which we can send to the banks for salary processing. Then let's go to download payslip. So HR can download this payslip and send it to employees, or employees can do it themselves. So let's now switch to employee mode. As an employee, I can actually define, I can see my payslips. I can view payslips and download it. And then also I can define my investments. So I can say like, I can define whether I'm staying in rented house, right? I'm maybe what is my life insurance policies. Yeah. So ATC, ATD, all of those things. And then I can also choose what is the regime I want to choose, right? So I can click on regime and it tells me which regime works best for me, right? Based on my salary, based on my investments, it will suggest me to choose, say, new regime, and I can choose and continue with it, right? And based on this, salary and everything will be calculated, and taxes, we can also download tax advice, which we can use for processing like taxes, paying taxes to the government, right? So yeah, that's about the payroll.